Guys, this video is for adults only, so if you're a kid, leave right now.
God, this video is for adults only, so if you're a kid, leave right now.
Anyways.
Anyways.
Swallow my big, huge C-O-C-C-K.
So I like big, huge cock.
Whoa!
Wow.
Swallow my big, huge C...
So my big, huge C.
Swallow my big, huge C-O-C-C-K-D-I-C-C-K.
Swallow my big, huge cock, C-K.
D-I-C-C-K.
Doug.
Swallow my big, huge D-I-C-K-K.
Swallow my big, huge dick.
That said dick.
Dick.
Buck.
Bug.
F-U-C-K-K.
Fuck.
Whoa! B-A-S-T-A-R-D-D.
Bastard.
Well, yep. Swallow my big, huge D-I-C-C-K.
Yes, swallow my big, huge dick.
Whoa! Oh my god. That thing just said yes, swallow my big dick.
Nothing, just said yes, swallow my big...
Swallow my big, fat, juicy D-I-C-C-K.
Swallow my big, fat, juicy dyke.
Oh, fuck yes. Ah, yes. Swallow my big, huge D-I-C-C-K and my P-U-S-S-Y. Why?
Oh, yes, yes, dyke in my pussy.
Whoa!
Wow.
Oh,
Want
fuck.
a cracker?
Okay, that was weird. Anyways, do not use talking parrot on Alexa. Anyways, this was my first adult video, so... Anyways. Okay, this is not probably my first adult video. But yeah. One of the first adult videos of August, so yeah. Anyways. Neon Dragons out. And don't do that at home.